judge. Please stand up, Dr. Rowan Tolentino. So, he finished his pre-med and medical degree from De La Salle University, Manila, and Emilio Aguinaldo College of Medicine, respectively. His general surgery residence training at the Medical Center Manila and his surgical oncology fellowship training at the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. Education at the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in New York, USA. He was a clinical observer at the following institutions: University Hospitals of Columbia, University and Will Cornell Medical College in New York, USA. University of Texas, Anderson Cancer Center, USA, and Cancer Hospital in Beijing, China. He finished his molecular biology of health professionals at the St. Luke Medical Center and master's in business administration in health degree from Ateneo Graduate School of Business, Makati City. He had his training in high-intensity focused ultrasound for tumors at the Chongqing Medical University and the Suning Central Hospital in China. He's the past president of the Philippine Society of Oncology, a surgeon professor level 4 at the Emilio Aguinaldo College of Medicine in Manila. He's presently the chair of surgery at the CEU School of Medicine, a former training officer of the Division of Surgical Oncology at the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City, and Department of Surgery of Amang Rodriguez Memorial and Medical Center. Currently, he's the program director of the Manila Medical Surgical Oncology Fellowship Program. Aside from being a doctor, he's also an entrepreneur, businessman, a business, personal, and leadership coach. He's also a TV, radio, and international health personality development educator. His residency days, Dr. Tolentino won several first-place awards in research paper contests, has published several scientific papers in local and international publications. Quite lengthy. In 2024, he was named as the top 50 physicians in medical tourism awarded by the Palanca Fellowship Group. So here we are, our panel of judges, Dr. Tolentino, Dr.